I got my new jack. I'm gonna test the jack, make sure it holds holds the weight. But I also got my car armed right now. So basically I'm just gonna double check that my tilt sensor works at the same time. But I'm also gonna get an idea of how high it jacks up before the sensor goes off. So let's go. It should go off soon. That's fucking loud. So yeah, that's pretty, that's right where I want it. That's about 2 inches right here. 2 inches, 2.5 inches. That's perfect. Good to go, right lady? Is it good to go? It's good to go.